Good morning, student. I am Vivek. My simplest subject with you. Practice set 12, subject math and standard 7. Today we will see how to find LCM. LCM means least common multiple. In Marathi we say Lasavi. By factorization method we can find the LCM. So look at this. First factorize the 12 divisible by 2, so 6 into 2 is equal to 12, 2 into 3 into 6, 3 again. Here is factorization of 12, again factorization of 15. 15 is indivisible by 3, so 3 into 5 is equal to 15, 5 is equal to 1. So this is the factorization of 15. So take factorization in this method. 2 into 2 into 3 and 15 is equal to 3 into 5. So LCM is equal to, take common factor in one time. This is common factor, 3 into 3. But uncommon factor also take in LCM. This 5 into this 2 into this 2. This is the LCM of 12 and 15. 5 into 3, 15 into 4, 60. So 60 is LCM of 12 and 15. In another method, this is the one method to find LCM. Another method is very simple. Take factorization of both the method in this way. So 12 and 15. Factor in same manner. So 2 into 6, 15 is equal to 50. Divided, both are divided by 3. 3 into 2, 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So 5, 15. Here is 2 again. 1, 5 is equal to 5. Here is one method. 5 into 5. So LCM, take, look at this. In this factor, 2, this 2, 5, this 2 was taken here, this 2 was taken here, this 3 was taken here, and this 5 was taken here. In this way, this is the second type of find LCM, and this is the first type of the find LCM. We can find in both type of LCM. So with the following same procedure, we can solve this problem again. Excuse me. So in factorization method, factor 10 plus number unit place was 0, so it is divisible by 2. 5 is equal to 1. Again 15 is divisible by 3. 5 9 is 20. So 20 is divisible by 2. 10, 5. So take the factorization in this way. 10 is equal to 2 into 5. 15 is equal to 3 into 5, and 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. So here we see again, here are the factor of these three numbers. We find LCM. So least common multiple is equal to, the take first of all common factor like 5. 5 is common factor in these three number. Then 2. Then this 3 and 2 taking this 3 and 2. So LCM of 10, 15 and 20 is 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 3, 30, 30 into 2, 60. 60 is LCM of 10, 15 and 20. And another method to find this is like in the same way we can find here. Look at this. 10, 15 and 20. At the same time we got LCM here. Here is the simplest method, but we know the rule which number is divided by which table. Here is, look at 2. First of all 2 5 as 10, 15 is 15, 10 is here again 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 5 twos are 10. Again 3 ones are 3, 2 was not is equal, 2 is equal to 2. So look at the product of this number is called LCM of 10, 15 and 20. Look at this LCM. This 5 number is taken here, this 2 number is taken here, this 2 number is taken here, and this 5 number is taken here. So types of both the method having same answer of LCM. So I hope that you understand what is the LCM and how did it find. Thanks to all. I hope you understand this. If you don't understand, contact me. Thanks.